Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we're going to do a DIY. We're going to do some napkin rings, and majority, part of the material comes from Dollar Tree, and part of it comes from, I think, Bit Lots. So for this DIY, you're going to need some form of pick that you can get more than one section off. I need some berries, frosted berries, or some type thing. We need your Mod Podge with the brush. We're going to need some form of paper towel holder, or this right here comes from vinyl, so it's thicker, it's not flimsy like this, so I like that, and it's the perfect size. We'll need a ruler so you can mark out what you're doing. Going to need a marker. We're going to need a knife or this. We need your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and you need some garlic. This from the Dollar Tree. Get 15 feet in it. First thing that you want to do, you want to take your ruler and your pen and put the ruler up against the toilet paper roll, and you're going to take that marker and you're going to go around the toilet paper roll, and you're making your mark for your cut, and this way you know that your line is straight and everything is going to be even when you cut your toilet paper roll for your napkin ring. So I'm taking the knife to do mine, and notice that I'm twisting the toilet paper roll. Well, mine isn't toilet paper roll, the vinyl roll, so it can come out even straighter. And then you're going to do how many of those that you need. I'm going to end up doing 10. I'm only going to use 6 because I'm going to do the nook table for my table scape, the first table scape I'm going to do for Christmas. And here I'm just cutting off the little straggly ends with the scissors to make it even smoother. So next I'm going to take the Mod Podge and a sponge, and guys, this sponge right here came from a package that had that sponge stuff in it, and I was like, wow, this just is like the actual sponge brushes that you get, so I kept it and I'm using it as a paint brush itself. But as you can see, I just coated it all over, inside and out, and this is going to make the structure even more solid, and also it's going to make it a little bit waterproof so that it won't if water gets on it, it won't make it, tear apart.
Hi everyone, I am Yaya's grandmother and
Granddaughter. Look in the camera.
I am Yaya's granddaughter, and I am happy to be here. And if you can see right here, I got my hair done today. I hope you like it. Now I'm just gonna get on to Yaya.
Okay, back to the DIY. So I'm just doing this to all of the pieces that I have, and just coating it with the Mod Podge inside and out, making sure that I get it all covered so that all parts of it is going to be protected. And as you can see, I'm going over it several times with the Mod Podge and the brush just to make sure that all of it is coated well. I probably went overboard, but hey, better be safe than sorry. So now all of them are covered and they're drying, and I'm going to show you what they look like on the inside and out. And as you can see, some of them are almost all the way dry. And this, like I said, is just help protecting it, making it a little waterproof. So now that I have all of them finished, I'm going to take the oh God, I got a brain freeze. I'm going to take the oh wow. You see what I'm taking? And I'm taking it around the toilet paper roll, and I'm just covering it. I'm not putting hot glue on the whole thing. I'm just twisting it because of it has that metal wire in it. It keeps it around it. So now I'm just cutting it and finish gluing it down to the toilet paper roll. And guys, I know I look funky right now, but trust me, it's gonna all come together. I started out trying to put it on the inside as well, but it just didn't look right, and it was just too much. So I decided to just go with the outside and leave the inside bare. And as you can see, I'm cutting it down with the scissors, giving it a haircut to make it a little bit less bulky and less so like straggly and out there. I'm going to give it some uniformity and make it look better. Give me a better foundation to put the pieces on. So now I'm taking my pick, and guys, this pick is really good. It's got wire. It's wire on it instead of wood, and that's why it looks like it was taking me I was having a hard time cutting it because I didn't have the wire cutters, because I didn't realize it was wire, but it was a really good pick. So now I'm taking the berries and I'm cutting the berries off along with the leaves, and I'm going to take 2 leaves and 2 berries, and I'm going to place them onto the napkin ring as well. This is going to give it that pop of color that you need, so it won't look so bare. And it's also the glam part of it because it has the sparklies on it, and it just brings the napkin ring all together. I really like the way it came out. I have to be honest, I was a little bit concerned as well when I first started this DIY, but the end result is, to me, amazing. I love it, and I hope you guys are going to love it as well. And here we are with a finished one with inside a napkin, and I think it came out very, very well. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. Happy holidays, guys.